So we're on the dual carriageway on the A1 and I'm doing 56 miles an hour. The speedo is saying 61 and so is the needle. And on Waze we are travelling at 53 miles an hour, so there's only 3 miles an hour difference. There you go. So currently I am doing 60 miles an hour. The speedo's at 60 and the speedometer on the dash is saying 60 miles an hour. But on Waze we are getting 58 miles. It says 60, 58. So let's give it 3 miles an hour discrepancy. So 57, 58. So that's the GPS reading on the phone. So it's not that big a difference, is it really? Because people were thinking that it might be like the Gen 1 Leaf, and they were quoting like a 10% difference in speed, which is quite a lot. But it looks like there's only a 5% discrepancy between the actual speed of the vehicle and what the GPS is telling me. So for everyone that said I was going too fast at 75 when I was doing the national speed limit test, I was only doing 72. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys next time.